If you are looking for metal sheet cutting or welding machines, then look no further. Hi, we are Canlee, a robust, high-tech factory situated in Hebei, China. Our experience in the welding and cutting industry can be traced back to 30 years ago. Now our factory size is over 36,000 square meters. That's about 9 acres. Canlee Laser has a staff of 120 people, more than 20 patents, and production equipment exceeding 230 sets. Canlee manufactures several machines, including fiber laser cutting machines, plasma CNC cutting machines, high beam production line, and robot welding and cutting machines. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you right away.